the latest. Good evening, Catherine.
Hey there, Melinda. Well, I wish I had better news, but not much sunshine in the coming days, that is for sure. In fact, we're going to see some cold rain for a lot of the area tonight, tomorrow, and we're going to see on and off rain and snow through the end of the work week and all the way into Valentine's Day weekend. So let's first talk about what's happening tonight, tomorrow, pretty much all the way through early Friday. We've got a mixture of rain, snow, sleet, and freezing rain. Most of us just seeing that cold rain tonight, but precipitation type will vary with the time of day or night and depending on where you are. So not everyone sees the same types of precipitation at the same times. This is, again, a mixed precipitation event going on through all the way through Friday morning. Nevertheless, some slick areas possible. We'll also have some isolated power outages due to any icing that could occur. Now, right now, again, most of us are seeing rain. North of I-64, though, we've seen a bit more mixing with ice and snow. That will continue in some spots tonight. We do have a winter storm warning out right now for northwest Pocahontas, that going all the way through early Friday. We have winter weather advisories across our western slopes, so Fayette, Raleigh, Wyoming, McDowell, southeast Pocahontas going through Friday as well, and a winter weather advisory in effect for Greenbrier County going all the way through Friday. Again, these areas will see a little bit of ice and snow early tomorrow morning and overnight tonight. A winter storm watch is then in effect for our eastern counties, the majority of them anyway, for tomorrow night. So not everyone, again, sees it at the same time, but we could see some ice, especially built in across those areas in the blue there tomorrow evening. So everyone, again, will see a mix depending on where they are. Now, right now, again, a lot of clouds are hanging around. We're going to see that continue into tonight. Again, mainly rain tonight for most of the area, but you can see some of that ice and snow north of I-64. It kind of dips down into more of our western slopes tomorrow morning. We see it kind of break up, I'm thinking, during the late morning, early afternoon a bit, but then more rain comes in, and again, it will occasionally mix with ice and snow. More areas seeing that, especially tomorrow night for a few hours. But by Friday, all of this seems to pretty much wrap up and come to an end. So how much are we expecting total all the way through early Friday, especially along and north of I-64? That's where the coldest air will be. We've lowered totals a bit to account for a warming trend we've noticed in the models today that will allow for more freezing rain and rain instead of snow and sleet. So if you're a snow lover, not exactly your ideal forecast, but up to a couple of inches or so of snow and sleet accumulation will be possible, especially along and north, again, of I-64. So parts of Fayette, Raleigh, Summers, northern Monroe, Greenbrier, and Pocahontas especially will see some light accumulation possible. South of that, and especially south of 460, it's mainly rain with some more freezing rain possible again tomorrow evening. Notice the glaze of ice I've got in the text box. That's pretty much possible all across our area now. Ice amounts of 1/10 or up to 2/10 of an inch, and that could be possible for at least some isolated power outages, isolated tree damage, and definitely some slick spots. Usually when you get up to 1/4 of an inch, that's when you start having wider spread power issues. We're not expecting that much, but looking ahead, we're going to stay unsettled. We get a break in there Saturday morning, it seems like, but we could still get stuff into early next week. So it's all the way pretty much through Valentine's Day weekend. We're going to stay decently chilly, and that off and on rain, snow, and ice will just continue to keep us company. Again, no major blizzard anytime soon, but it only takes a little bit to cause those slick areas. That's what we're worried about through late week. Hey, Melinda, I'll send things over to you.
All right. Thank you, Catherine. We turn now to international news. 3 people